was messed up. Baby, the thought of losing you is so tough. Cause you said that you understood all my issues, but now you're packing your bags, I don't know what to do. Where are you going? Why are you leaving? If it's something I said, I didn't mean it. I'm just trying to get through to you, baby. I'll do whatever it takes just to make you stay. To know me, then you could have seen that we were meant to be. To say something worth having is worth fighting for, but you never know if you walk out that door. Where are you going? Why are you leaving? You promised you'd be here, but did you mean it? Cause if you leave right now, life wouldn't be the same. I need you, baby, so please just stop this way.
Really wish that I can kinda stop the pain, but it's like the baggage you claim, it's just too much for your man. We switched lanes, grip brains, and now I'm thinking, what if she changed? Will the baggage remain? I'm sitting here thinking that I'm to blame, but I can't, and since she pretty, she should really be ashamed. If you let go of some of that baggage, you could've probably carried my name, but nevertheless, I'm moving on. I thought you can be the one, you proved me wrong. I'm feeling dumb, depressing feelings overcome, and she said,
love is rainbow, falling on me, 'cause I need you now. It's falling, it's falling, it's falling. Only you can take this pain away. Baby, won't you stay? It's falling, it's falling, it's falling. The rain is falling down. The rain is falling, falling on my head.